Crown Troupe of Africa. Crown Troupe. See, as I watch that particular their performance just now, and several other times when I don't see them for stage, it just show me one thing. They make me understand one thing. Say, look, your dream for this life, if you know achieve, and many people dey if you fail because you fail. You understand? Some people dey very deep. That's why everybody got to go fulfill waiting supposed to this life can't do. For some people like Segun, for example, who will just carry enter studio. If you know people who don't come out from this guy, most of them what they celebrate for this country, also dance and different things. The likes of your, likes of Obi Martins, all these people then pass through. Your himself
pass through this guy.
Pass through this guy. You know,
but the guy just look very simple, very young, kind of.
So, they didn't say they can humble because they don't understand this thing well. But they always one thing where this whole thing will teach person now humility too. You get because your dream, your purpose for life, it big past you. So if you carry pride, put for inside, you go spoil.
Not just only you.
Not be just you.
So if you fail?
If you fail, some people go fail. That's the reason why you got to fulfill waiting you come this earth come do. So the question now waiting you as a person come this life come do. You get, you know, and another thing again, because when I watch these kind of things, I know they have to watch for entertainment sake and all those ones, you know, our youth for this country, younger people for this country, we need more platforms. We need more opportunity for them to go express themselves. You know how many young people there outside there, they do nothing. They walk up and down. You know that year where boys they dance now.
I tell you now, I'm just roaming around. Just one day there. Just one day the same.
They roam. And you know as I go to talk now, say I don't mind. Not be workshop again, factory now. Now that they do different things. Now that they sew a machine, they say, wow. You know, I start. Platform. If you did outside there, they watch like this now. First, you got to find your purpose for this life.
Find your purpose.
Find the purpose. Because some other people life, they tie to them. If you miss some, some people feel miss some because you miss some.
Yeah, technically that version of their life, you don't cut them come out.
Exactly.
You know complete
exactly.
Again.
It just be like Pekin we grew up under house where money not day. Where at the end of the day, he can't miss some. You know can't to get ginger. You understand?
Just believe in so life.
Just believe in so life just be. There's nothing more to life, and so life just be. You understand? Because the papa
be not get.
Be not get. You get. Now some other people go say because my papa no get, that's why I must get. Because my papa don't fail, so I must not fail. When my children no wake up one day say, "Come say, wetin do you too? Grandpapa mess up." He said, "Come mess up your own mess up." Why? You understand? So people life they tie to your own life one way or the other. Behind you. You get what I tell people that year when I talk all this talk plenty. Say, just look yourself as person like this. Say, I should stand like this. Crowd for your back.
Very, very well.
Where you know say they your back.
Part of your story.
Yes, exactly. Crowd, what kind crowd for your back where because of your movement, it will determine their movement. If you go left, if you go right, that crowd go follow you go right. If you go left, that crowd will follow you go left. And that right or left, I say if you succeed, some will succeed. If you fail, many go fail.
Many go fail.
Simply because your own movement, you will do for front. Oh, I'm feeling like a preacher. You understand? Very deep, oh. Very, very deep. You know.
But the question when I want to ask, say, now there was one thing you talked before we come back just now. You talk say it will make more sense if people they focus with some kind of line of things so that they do.
Yeah.
So now, as how you go to know the kind of line of things, say, okay, this thing will make sense, so make I stick to them. Because many times, we often, they jump around, and at the end of the day, like that, we can't enter the one way make sense. You understand? So, you're not supposed to be. Supposed to just know, say, okay, Naim be this, so I make I go get them. And not be everybody get that ability to know, say, Naim
exactly.
be that.
Not be everybody. Get, just like Segun talk just now. When person enter like Crown Troupe, make I use Crown Troupe as an example now for this general, this thing we talk now. When person enter like Crown Troupe, for example, you fall in. You know go first know which of them you want
to belong to.
When you're singing or dancing or be say you want the
instrument,
you understand. Now when you don't sit down there first, now you have to your eye come the okay, which one? If like say my body they call me come this side. Now from there you can't find out. Along the line, the other ones they will come show. You understand? So most times, if you don't make the move of going out
in the first place,
make that move, then you can't know. But if you lock up for house, just dead there, say, when it go happen, how it go happen, for where it go happen, it no go ever happen. So you got to make the move, first and foremost. You get, back in the years, first like Felado say, you go talk one thing. He say, if you no function, e get wetin this world dey miss.
If you no function.
If you no function, there's something the world is missing.
Just you.
Just you. That's why you dey very, very important to the world. Imagine say some big things wey don happen for this life. The people wey suppose do am, not do am. Think am. Say one person know you wake up one day, say, okay, make I make TV. Say one person know you wake up one day, say, make I make camera.
Or light.
Or say, make I create light bulb. Or make I do wetin they call chair. Or make I do table. Or make I do some other things. Imagine how life will be.
Preacher.
Oh, the ninth father. All right, okay. As it be like this now, on top of the whole level now, we all match break for the show for today, you know, because if they leave me like this now, when they enter into a motivational thing, inspirational thing, and tomorrow people they call me, please come and talk to us. Please come and talk to me. Come and talk to me. You understand? But I they talk to people bone because me even myself have a testimony to the whole thing. You understand? But like this, ladies and gentlemen, we hope say one way or the other, we have come and inspire you. We have come and motivate you. With these very few words of ours, we hope say you have been convinced and not confused onto every. You understand? And the nice father, where I be. Receive, take it now. But anyway, if you got any question, wanna ask the Night Father on top Twitter at WLateNightShow. Just put hashtag Night Father. You understand? Hashtag Night Father at WLateNightShow on top Twitter. Reach for there. Any question we're concerned about life, or the one we don't talk about today. Just reach for there, knock your question for there. And I go do my best to make sure say I reply the whole thing. Or follow me personally on top of my Twitter handle at Funny OGBOLOR. Reach for there, knock the whole thing, and then we go know how every bit. For myself and DJ Easy Beat, we'll say good night to all of you. Now, sleep well, get better sleep, and God bless everybody.